What a great little car we have here, direct in from the last owner. It's the one that we've looked after for many years. One of our previous customers. Beautiful Ford Fiesta Titanium. Look at it in this beautiful and extra optional colour, which is a candy blue. Ford class that as a unique paint, candy blue metallic. It is beautiful. Just over £700 for that colour itself. Actually, this car's got £1,100 worth of factory fitted options, including the beautiful 17-inch 8-spoke alloy wheels. Great spec on these. Rear parking sensors, and just look at that colour again as the sun just catches it. Good size boot in the Fiestas. Split folding rear seat. This one also has the optional spare wheel, again brand new, not being used. So all the Fiestas don't actually come with a spare wheel, but this one has the optional spare. Rear privacy glass. Great 5-door little car. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so all these are totally unmarked, undamaged. Good tyres all the way around. No scratches, dings, dents or scrapes anywhere in the bodywork. It is absolutely beautiful. It's 2014 on a 14 plate. And again, close up for all the front wheels. We've just fitted 2 brand new tyres to the front, so it's got matching tyres all the way around. All across the front, lovely and clean. And hardly any stone chips on the vehicle at all. Absolutely beautiful all the way around. Of course you're going to get the odd 1 or 2 marks, 2014 car, but overall it is absolutely fabulous all the way around. So as I just mentioned, 2 new front tyres. And all the wheels absolutely perfect. The car's got full service history, 10 service stamps in the book. As I say, it is one that we've looked after for a number of years for the last owner. And that's the final wheel and tyre, so again you can tell it's a great tyre on that. All the door trims in great condition, all the upholstery all unmarked. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Electric windows, electric mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel, again the driver's seat, all in very good condition. Front centre armrest with a bit of storage in there. AUX and USB input. Mileage of 61,966. So it's done 61,966. So for its age, it is very low mileage. Stereo system, CD system, all very straightforward. It's got Bluetooth phone connection, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, stereo controls, cruise control, 5-speed manual gearbox, so there you have it, our Fiesta Titanium and this beautiful candy blue metallic. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. you fancy this car at 2 o'clock in the morning, you can remember click and reserve 24/7 with our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we're refunded money, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again, just like this customer that we've been dealing with for many years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process, and with the videos there are no hidden surprises, should we say. What you see is what you get. Specialist Cars, established since 1997, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.